Hello everyone and welcome back to the 5th week of Blue Battlers Rough League. In this week we are up against a dangerous rain team with a Great Tusk and a very strong defense. With like a Corviknight, the Gudra, it's very hard to really break through it, but we will see. So the team I made for it, Goofy is back, the Slowking. With Silly Reception to negate the rain, to make it go away. We have Surf to make use of the rain if it's there, slack off Thunder Wave. Thunder Wave mostly for speed control, will also be annoying. Gremlin we have just a casual screen setter with Play Ref, Parting Shot. I like to run this a lot. Parting Shot for momentum, a lot. Then we just have a good Scarf, Iron Mod. This outspeeds like a base Barracuda, and also in the kilowatt roll mostly, and also non-scarfed everything, let's say, and if it's not raining also. Then we have a new Wiz. This will be my win condition, which is Sword Sense Extreme Speed, which justified because he has some Sucker Punchers or like some dark moves possibly, so that could go do some fun things. Then we have a Dragapult with Cold Barbarian Will-O-Wisp, just to burn, let's say, Great Tusk of Crunch Barracuda. It's going to be funny if it can pull off a Will-O-Wisp to threaten it a little bit less. Then we got Big Fan also with the Will-O-Wisp and Electric Drain just to give Iron Mods even more boosts, and also Thunder because rain. So here we go.